Sorry, Chelsea fans bin dey expect say una go win for una home as una dey for better form. But as una come dey play the match, people no come know who dey home as Man U come dey oppress una for the game. Wetin happen?
Man U no oppress us. You no see say for first half, dem no even see ball play. Na lie. Leave me make I talk na. Na me dem ask question. So as you take see, we even score dem safe. But as first half finish, Mourinho here come start to dey beg us for dressing room. Na lie oh, chai!
Abeg Mourinho, leave am make him talk.
So him tell us say if him lose this game, say dem go sack am. Him beg us say even if na draw, say make we help am maintain him job. Na him make I tell my boys, say make we pity am. But as we start second half, I no go gree am dey talk this kind lie. Wait sef, I ginger my boys for second half. Hazard no see him period again for that second half. If no be say ref give them extra 6 minutes, now we for win that game. Say the kind goal we una score safe. My player dey ground. My boys don't stop to their play. Na him una score. Why them stop? Them hear whistle.
Why e be say if Chelsea and Man U dey play game, dem must fight? If players no fight, coach go fight. If coach no fight, fans go fight. Na swear dem swear for now.